I think Daniel's nuts.
Over and over and under my skin, all this attention is doing